Hello, everyone, and welcome to this 3-day yoga program. My name is Deborah, and I will be your guide. Rituals and I teamed up to create this 3-day program to jumpstart your practice. So whether you are completely new to yoga and stepping on the mat for the first or second time, or whether you're a more experienced practitioner and simply got out of the habit of a regular practice, this program is a way to get you back to the mat. And this consistent practice over a short period of time will give you the opportunity to experience the benefits of yoga. And yoga is not only about creating strength in their physical body, it's not only about creating a calmness in the mind, it's kind of a combination of the two. And when that happens, something else also transforms within you. And so these 3 days are about uniting body, mind, and soul in our practice. And 3 days, this can be your daily ritual, something that you give yourself and return to for 3 days. We can do this, right? So welcome. I'm looking forward to being your guide, and let's begin our program. Namaste.